In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Zelle payment not going through. There might be a lot of different reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cover all the common reasons for the payment failure. The first common reason is going to be incorrect recipient info. The email address or US mobile number may be wrong, so go ahead and verify the recipient information. If that is not the case, then it could also be a recipient not enrolled, which means that the person doesn't have a Zelle through their bank. In that case, simply go ahead and confirm that your recipient is enrolled or ask for them to go ahead and enroll in it. The third reason is going to be insufficient funds. If you don't have enough money, you want to simply go ahead and ensure that you have enough money in your account to cover the payment. Again, if that is not the case, it could also be your daily or transaction limits. So simply go ahead and check your bank or Zelle daily sending limits. Try a smaller amount or wait until your limit resets. It could also be your bank reviewing your transaction. So you might need to simply go ahead and look for bank alerts or just keep waiting. The other thing could be connectivity issues. If you don't have a stable internet connection, make sure you go ahead and do so. And if that is not the case, make sure that you update your bank app, or if none of it works, contact your bank account. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If